Alright, this is a little scary. This thing is deader than a doornail. It won't charge, it won't do anything. I don't know what happened. I don't know what I'm doing. But you know what I'm gonna do? Oh. I'm gonna take the back off of it. Yeah. Ooh. Does it come off? Right there, it comes apart. See? Maybe I need a thinner, something thinner to go down in there. Or does it come off? You would think it would. It won't turn on. Acts like it does. I need something else. Had to be pieced together there. You're watching because you just want to see me cut my finger. Thank you. I don't know if it comes apart. There's something right there. What am I pulling on? Need something thinner. Maybe I have to do it at the corner. See, I've got that much of it. Is that what I do? I just keep going like that? Oh. Look, I'm getting it. Can you see it through my hand? I'm actually doing something. Is it right or wrong? Oh, it's coming off. I'm chewing it up. Don't do this. It's in violation. Bubba? There, I screwed that much up. Is it supposed to come off? It don't work. Bubba? You know, I got funner videos to watch. Go check out my channel. Subscribe to me. I'm Papa Texas over there. Or here. I'm Papa Texas. I'm probably never going to put this video out because I'm fixing to mess this sucker up. It's coming apart. Papa, why don't you tell them about your channel while you're ruining your tablet? Well, I do gardening. I do cooking. I show you how to destroy stuff. I don't know if it's supposed to come off. Will it go back on? Oh, I see parts in there. Oh my gosh. My wife's gonna kill me. I don't think this comes off. What is that? Is this against the law? Kind of like taking that little paper off your, that tag off your mattress? Oh. I got an old one in there. Got a cracked screen. Wow. Ain't that cool? I guess I could have Googled this or YouTubed it. I bet somebody shows you how to do this on there. Maybe there's a video that says don't do it. I'm going to tell this one how not to take the back off. I don't even know what it's called. Tablet. Y'all want me to sing a song? Why is this taking so long? Alright, we're stuck. Well, I don't think this ain't gonna work no more. Seems like it's just pop off now. How does that work? Oh, you hit those two things together. I think if I pull it away from there, she wants to come up. I don't know if it's a she or a he. I never checked. Woo! Yeah. Yeah, I think I can do this. It looks okay. Oh, look, this side just come. It's just like coming off. I thought it was my wife. Oh, look, see? There, look. Look. It does come off. It's got some Chinese writing on it. AT&T. Cell made in China. Assembled in Vietnam. Battery. There's the battery. Pull hands only. Let's see if she comes on. There's no push button. How do you do that? I don't figure out how. I want to unplug the battery and plug it back in. I guess I pull this off. Yeah, there we go. I just got it. Don't call the authorities on me. Oh, do I have to put this back on for it to work? Wouldn't want them to know I opened it up. That's got to come out of there somehow. I'm gonna go to AT&T and say this thing just fell apart. Oh, maybe you pull this. Watch. Awesome, blossom. Look at that. It's got to be plugged in somewhere. Right there. Alright. How do I unplug it? Oh. Can I pull on it? I don't know if you can see that or not. I'm gonna do this. Have to push that in? How do I do that? Oh, that was too easy. That's too easy. Okay, so I disconnected my battery. Breathe. Say a prayer. Touch that. And let's put it back on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, it's back in. It's back down. Back over like we never touched it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It works. It works. Papa, I just fixed it. Oh my. Oh my. It's the prayer that worked. You know, yeah, battery's dead. How many people does that happen to and they go up and they talk you into buying a brand new one. And they'll say, oh, we'll take the old one from you, we'll refurbish it. And all they'd probably do is exactly what I did, and then they sell it. But they sold you a new one. You know it? I mean, as Steve Robb would say, I'm stoked. I'm stoked. Okay, it's going to be a dead screen. I mean, that... Oh, I got to put this back on. There you go, folks. You know what? I do want to put this video out there, because that was cool. I figured it was a goner. I really did, and I was going to use my old one that's bigger and got cracks across it and stuff. But you know what? It's Papa. Come subscribe to me. Check out my cooking and plants, or gardening and all that video. I am stoked. It's Papa. Papa, Texas. And you'll see my granddaughters. I do restaurant reviews. I meet other YouTubers. I do a lot of stuff on here. It's Papa. Ring that bell to keep up with me and see when I put a video out. It's Papa, Texas. It's Papa. See ya.